Hi, I'm Adam, and this is how to use Plague Inc. in your school or homeschool setting. Plague Inc. is a board game in which you, the player, is a virus or a bacteria. And your job is to try to be the best virus or bacteria in the world. In which, I mean, you have to kill the most humans compared to everybody else that you're playing with. This is a game for ages 14 and up. Probably mostly because of the content in which you are covering. It's also about 60 minutes long, and it can play 1 to 4 players. In this game, the students will be taking on the roles of either a virus or a bacteria. And during that time, they will be learning a lot about the different mutations that viruses or bacteria actually go through, and what those mutations do to us, the humans. And so it's really cool because the kids will learn, just how diseases spread, how they spread differently, from other different mutations that could have happened. So after the game, you can sit down with your students and discuss the differences between different illnesses. Maybe one of you played as a bacteria versus a virus. How did that affect them versus the other one? Did one win? Did one not win? You could mix and match these if you want. You could also talk about, in real life, how do diseases spread and what you can do to prevent those diseases from spreading, especially your particular disease that you just created. How could you, if you were living in that world that you just helped destroy, how could you avoid getting sick from your diseases? What is your favorite resource for covering illness? Let us know in the comments below. And make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.